I'm here in Cambridge, Maryland, and we're working on trim and the remodeling of this beautiful old home. And I'm going to record this very frustrating corner. So I have 22.5 as the angle, and 22.5 is the angle here. And then this here is 22.5. But as you see, that isn't going to exactly work. So what I have to do is I have to have a straight cut for about, let's say, I'm going to have this straight here, and then I'll do 22.5 at about 3/4 of the way down or halfway down.